Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and show the high heel that inspired this video. It is the Giuseppe wing heel, and these are super expensive, so this is my version of it. For this part, I would recommend doing it without the brush. You could do without it. It's just to be a little bit less messy. And then right here, go ahead and choose which side you like best. Whichever side looks shinier. There's always a front and a back side. So this is how they ended up turning out. You guys, I really loved it. Super duper cheap. It's just finding the right trim. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.